Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good, what's poppin'? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, we'll be trying out some contact lenses from Unicoeye, and I would love to show you guys what they look like on my brown eyes and my deep brown skin. So if you guys are interested in seeing how they look, make sure you keep watching. Also subscribe to the channel if you're interested in transforming and elevating your life in your 20s, 30s, and more, because that's what we like to do over here, guys, and save our coins as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Okay guys, let's get into what's in these contacts. We have the contacts and the contact case that they gave us. Prescriptions on the screen. The colors is butternut, Fantasic, and natural. Love that. And it does come in normal cases if you would get them from the doctor's office, so that's also good as well. It does come with your case, your tools to put your contact in, and your tools to take your contacts out. So really cute and efficient with a little mirror as well. So let's get into the first color, butternut. It's a brown. I do clean my contacts in my solution for 5 to 10 minutes before putting them in my eyes. It kind of helps clean them off a little bit. And I'll be trying out the tool, which this was a fail, but overall I really do like the color on my skin. They do feel nice. In the beginning it's a little rough and scratchy, but after wearing them for a while and blinking your eyes, they do get comfortable, so I can appreciate that. Let's get into the next color, which is natural. It is a dark gray. I do like these as well on my skin a lot. So these are my favorite of them all. It's like a brown, but a gray, but a hazel. So yes, giving what it's supposed to get. And the last one is Fantastic. It is a beige color as well. I do like this too. It is give a gray, but like a greenish. Really nice. Overall, the contacts are comfortable. I do recommend. So guys, pick them up if you like.
Video. So thanks so much for checking out another video from moi. Don't forget to subscribe down below to join Lo Gang and thumbs up this video so I know you like videos like this. And until next time guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.